Yo, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm dropping some real game about Upwork and dropshipping, the stuff nobody tells you. If you're tired of hearing the same old get rich quick tips, this one's for you. So grab your notebook, you're gonna need it. First, Upwork. Everybody thinks it's about who's the best designer, writer, whatever. Nah bro. It's about how you position yourself. Here's the trick, niche down like crazy. Don't say I'm a graphic designer, that's boring. Say I design scroll-stopping type tickets for e-commerce brands, boom. Now you stand out. Clients see that and think, this person gets me, that's how you win. Next up, don't be afraid to go cheap at first. I know you deserve $100 an hour, but guess what? Clients don't care. Start with small $10, $20 jobs to build trust and stack those 5-star reviews. Once you got them, raise your prices, offer premium packages. It's like a cheat code for credibility. Hey, if you're watching this far, drop a comment saying secret game A plain and smash that like button and subscribe. Alright, dropshipping. Everyone says dropshipping is dead. No, only lazy dropshipping is dead. The secret now is building a brand. Custom packaging, good vibes, even working with local suppliers for faster shipping. You don't need to be Amazon, but you do need to look professional. People don't buy from random no-name stores anymore. They buy from brands they trust. Let me put you on real quick. TikTok organic is the gold mine right now. Forget paying for ads. Just post raw, authentic videos showing your product in action. No fancy camera, no big budget, just reliable content. Hop on trends, use viral sounds. One video pops. You're getting free traffic to your store. Simple. Now here's where it gets spicy. While you're building your dropshipping store, go on Upwork and do freelance gigs in the same niche. Like Shopify store setups, product research, AD creatives. You're learning and getting paid at the same time. That's how you fund your store without risking your own money. Skill stacking plus money flow. That's the real secret.